Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Sorry, let me put that down. Irish music. Happy St. Patty's. Welcome back, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Thank you for tuning in and watching Trading with David 305. All right. Let's see here. All right, so what do we got going on here? All right, so first things first, let's pull up the news. Well, that's not the right news. Let's go to March 17th. March 17th, we got nothing. We do have pending home sales, orange folder at 10 a.m. So we'll see how that goes. Ah, shit. There we go. Much better. Where's my coffee? All right. So, yeah, not much news today. Look at this week. So this week, yeah, tomorrow we got a lot of FOMC. We got some core PPI. It's going to be a lot of volatility tomorrow. ATR is currently at 20.84 on the 5-minute time frame. We are in a massive pump here. Massive.
Green giant.
Maybe because it is St. Patty's Day, they're gonna pump the market today. We do have a target right here at previous day high. Looks like a sweep yesterday of previous day high. Looks like a big impulse candle here, and then completely rejection. A lot of sellers right here. So let's see. ES is pumping to previous day high. It's a lot closer than NQ. We got all the EMAs under us. So what I'm really looking for is some sort of pullback. Tap the EMAs and then show me a pump up. That would be ideal when the market opens. So at 9:30, what I want to see would be a pullback, tap an EMA, maybe fill some of these gaps, maybe even tap VWAP, and then reject and go all the way back up. What I don't want to see is it pump, take all this out, and then straight down. But we're just going to react to the market, not predict. Let's see. We're kind of at an equal high here. This was there. Might want to do that. I don't know. It has been in a downtrend, and now it's kind of like ranging. It's trying to change its character to go back up. So we're gonna have to wait and see. Gonna have to wait and see here. Copy trade, copy trade. What are we gonna copy trade? Well, we're gonna do the accounts from yesterday that were negative 200, right? Yeah, 200, 224, 232. All right, we're gonna get that back. No biggie. You'll see how I do it now. We're gonna wait for the best trade possible. All right. How's everybody doing? Green Giants all morning. Seems fitting. Very true. Very true. Let's get it. Let's get it. Green Giants only. Let's see. Well, this is clearly a Green Giant. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes today. Let me look at some other time frames. I'm sure you like that GTRS, GT2RS. Yeah, on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is very bullish. Looks like it wants to really get up there. Let's see, which is, no. Well, it has to be that one. Oh, it's just showing it there. That's weird. Okay. All right. ATR is really low, so hopefully it picks up a little bit. We got about 14 minutes left till New York Stock Exchange opens. Hope y'all are ready. Hope you guys wear some green today so you don't get pinched. This shit is pumping. Pre-market, it is pumping. Looks like it's going for that daily high on ES here. Let's see. Hopefully NQ can make it to the daily high also. Alright, so what are we gonna do? Yeah, sure, we still mark out. We're still gonna mark out the London low. It's about there. It's an old one. Let's see. We can mark out the old London low that hasn't been taken out. We got the previous day high there. That was a crazy ass wick candle. I'm gonna mark out that previous day high again from yesterday, because that looks like an area. Actually, I'm gonna do a region. This is obviously an area of major liquidity right there. Alright, so we got a big area of liquidity there. You can see that's 25019.50, and then we got the previous day high 25032. So I'm making like a little range there of resistance. Obviously it tapped that zone, got rejected. Tapped that zone, got rejected. Two equal highs right here, so very, very possible if it taps that zone again, it's coming down. At least a pullback, if not a complete reversal, at least a pullback at that zone. So that's why I marked it. It looks like it's already tapping a previous day high here on ES. I'm gonna kind of do the same thing. Mark out that zone. With the region highlight. So from here to here. That shit is pumping. It looks like it already hit it. This is crazy. Ooh, it's ripping through it. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. Yeah, it might start its pullback now. Will NQ follow? It's very possible. It might not get to that high. We'll see. We'll see if it has enough juice to go higher. It might just go a little higher because the NQ still hasn't hit its previous day high. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe it just completely reverses right here. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching Trading with David 305, and please hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm waiting for the New York Open to look for my entry and trade, so we're just gonna stay patient until the New York Open and wait for orb, 15-minute orb, and then we're gonna be taking a breakout depending how it works. Let's see how it goes. Looks like London high is right here right now. No, this thing's been pumping for a minute, so I really want to see some sort of pullback before I take a long. I'll tell you that. That's really what I want to see. So if you haven't heard the sound effects before, obviously Green Giant, that's when it goes up, and when I see it going down, tactical nuke incoming! That's what you're gonna hear. Alright, I know you guys know what that sound is if you watched the stream before. But for anybody who's tuning in new and wants to know what the hell's going on, there it is. We're looking at the 5-minute time frame on ES and the 5-minute time frame on MNQ. Okay. I have already rolled over on the contracts. Yesterday was choppy because it was the first day of the rollover, so I got chopped. It might be choppy all week because of rollover. Let's hope today we could get some clear momentum and take a good trade, man. This shit goes. Now it's going. Yeah, it might do a sweep, guys, and then pull back. We'll see what happens here. This is interesting. This shit is pumping ridiculously. This is the 1 hour time frame. You can see it right here. Got about almost 5 minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Alright, so I hit that previous day high from yesterday, the day before yesterday. Alright, that's my timer. Market opens at 5. And then I have the actual previous day highs right here. So this thing might want to keep pumping. So yeah, you can see it already tapped this previous day high, and we got the most current previous day high from yesterday. Let's see. I'm sure there's a lot of sellers here, man. It doesn't take rocket science to know that there's a lot of sellers here. Every time it's touched this level, look on the higher time frame, rejection last time. So most likely it'll come down. It's gonna do, if it doesn't come all the way down or reverse, it will definitely do some sort of pullback. So just be careful, guys. ATR is currently 22 on the 5-minute. 22. Okay, it's having already a pullback right before the sweep. That sucks. It's another reason why I did not mark the London highs, just because it just keeps making higher highs. So we'll just leave it at the daily high here. That's the real sweep anyways, not the London high. It's not ranging in London, it's literally distributing or manipulating. We'll see. Is it a distribution or is it manipulation? We'll find out now at 9:30. Two minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutos. Waiting for 9:30 open. It looks like it's already doing its pullback. Possibly a reversal, but I'm pretty sure it wants to come retest these EMAs down here. We got EMA 50. We got super trend. Oof. Super trend. EMA 21. EMA 200 is very close to VWAP. VWAP is way down here, so yeah, I won't be surprised this wants to pull really far down when the market opens now in 1 minute. So be very careful, guys. If you do trade the 9:30 open, hang on for dear life. We're gonna risk 500 today, and I'm gonna be real with you guys. If I get $240, I'm gonna close it, even if it's, well, no. I'm lying. I'm gonna close maybe 3 of the 5 contracts, so I could kind of recover what I lost from yesterday. And the other 2 micros, we'll let it run and see what happens. Most likely it'll probably hit break even. But if it hits TP, shit, we erased what we did yesterday, so we could start the week off on a Tuesday. Yesterday was just really bad conditions. All right, market's opening in 5 minutes, and market is open. Market is open, ladies and gentlemen. Just in case you haven't realized, there it goes. Let's watch ES. ES is doing baby moves. Let's make it just right there. We're looking at ES 5 minute. How do you know I'm looking at ES? It's a yellow screen. It's a yellow session. If I use the 1 hour, it doesn't have any session. Okay, so keep that in mind while looking at my screen. That looks like a clear pullback. Depending on how this closes, let's see. Let's see how this closes. Should be interesting. Oop, look at that sweep. Is it gonna reverse down now? Complete reversal? No way. The sellers are like, forget the liquidity sweep. We're selling right here. Or it might just really quickly pop it and then pull it back down within the 15 minutes that we don't trade usually. So, but there's gonna be a lot of whipsawing here. Yeah, oh, there it goes. Going for that. Going for that daily. Is it gonna turn into a green giant? That looks like a shooting star.
Green giant.
Oh, it's going. It's about to tap it. It's about to tap it. And oh, so close. There it is. It tapped it. For sure it tapped it. Boom. Boom. Anybody who took that trade, it was almost telling you exactly what was gonna happen there. It literally swept and it was like, I'm gonna take out the daily high. Yeah. That was almost like a perfect little scalp right there. But we're gonna be a little more patient. We're gonna wait for a good move. Good stuff, Soundgineering. Good stuff. Nice catch, bro. Yeah, everybody knows it wanted that sweep of at least the London high. I'm sorry, not the London high, the previous day high. Great job, Soundgineering. Great job. Yeah, it's funny. It kind of like waited here for everybody to enter the trade too. It turned into a shooting star, and then it kind of waited. It's like, hey, I'm going up. You want to scalp it? It crossed my mind, but I want to stick to my rules. That's why I just called it out. I didn't take it myself. So. Alright, looks like it's going for that pivot point here. That resistance pivot point now. This shit is completely ripping to the moon. Like
Connection lost.
Okay, and we're back. Yeah, this shit is completely completely green.
Green giant.
St. Patty style to the moon. Yeah, just be careful, guys, up here, because it's already past the previous day high, so there could be a sweep. It might completely reverse now, okay? So just don't chase it. Don't chase it. The move was prior to that, so just want to wait now and wait for a real pullback to the EMAs, because this thing is just crazy pumping right now. All right, this is just the first 5 minutes of the New York Open. Relax. Just hang tight. Don't worry, you haven't missed anything, guys. You haven't missed anything. The market gives plenty of opportunities to trade. You just need to stay patient. Don't worry, we'll catch something. Will it be great? I don't know, but we're gonna catch something. Let me see something, because just want to make sure my... Yeah, okay. All right, we still got about 10 more minutes, or less than 10 minutes, to set the orb. Stay patient. There's plenty of time, guys. Plenty of time. I know, sometimes it's like a little nerve-wracking watching it pump, or just going without you. Just ripping. You're like, shit, I should have taken a long. I should have. Don't worry. It's gonna be fine. Gotta learn to control those emotions. Sometimes, yeah, absolutely. Sometimes I do feel like I'm waiting. Do feel like I'm missing the move, waiting for orb. But I know that most of the time from my back testing, a setup almost always presents itself waiting for orb. And in the long run, if you stay consistent with what I've back tested for over 5 years, it's about a 70% win rate. So yeah, it could seem boring, it could seem, but that's a profitable trade. That's how profitable traders, it's boring, guys. It's not supposed to be exciting. You're not supposed to be like, oh, all right, I'm going in now, I'm out. Like, dude, that's, for me, that's gambling, bro. And we can't be gamblers. If you want to be profitable, you got to be disciplined. And that's what differentiates you from a gambler and a trader. and a day trader. Well, really, we're scalpers, not day traders. We're not on the charts all day. Some of you guys might be, but I'm trying to take a trade, win or lose, boom, done. And I posted this on my Instagram the other day. The bigger your stop loss is, the less trades you take. Right? That makes sense. The smaller your stop loss is, the more trades you take, but you have a higher risk to reward. If you're doing a big stop loss, you want to take very little trades because the trades should be playing out in your favor. The bigger your stop loss is, because you should be able to handle the swings. Right now, ATR is at 28. Actually, very weak for New York Open, but let's see. Let's see what happens. But good question, man. Yeah, no, and it's crazy. The question you're saying, like, you feel like you're missing the move waiting for the orb. Like right there, dude, I was so tempted to take that long. And it was a pretty strong magnet that it was going to take the daily high when I saw the shooting star right here. That's maybe something I would have taken just on the eval. But in reality, it's not part of my strategy. It kind of is, but that shit could go like shooting star and then completely flip and dump. And then I'll be like, damn, why did I do that shit? Because the market still does whatever it wants. And then I wouldn't be following my rules. And most of all, I wouldn't be mad about the loss. I would be mad that I didn't follow my strategy and my rules just because I thought it was going to hit. And if it does hit, doesn't mean that it's good. That could be the one time out of 10 that it wins. 9 times out of 10 it loses. Like, trading is very difficult, guys. Trading is very difficult. And teaching somebody trading is very difficult too, because you could tell them what you're doing is wrong and they could be winning. That's the crazy part. And they're like, yeah, but I made money. So how do you respond to that? Yeah, but you're not taking great trades. All right, so we got about 5 minutes left to that 15-minute orb, guys. Let's see what happens. It's a possibility, since we did sweep these highs, that it does a pullback or a complete reversal, but it should have some sort of pullback after hitting these swing highs here. So my whole thing is, if this is the orb here, which I'm going to kind of set it up and we'll adjust it if necessary. So orb would be right here to right here, right? If it goes up higher, we'll fix it. But the thing is, if it breaks to the downside, we got the super trend EMAs right here. That's a hard short to take, I'll tell you that much, because it could just be a pullback to then go higher. It might just bounce off the EMAs. Maybe it wants to come here. It's tough. It's tough. Let me see what ES is at. Yeah, we're going to set the orb for ES also. ES is at a resistance pivot already. You can see it's already there. What the hell am I doing? There we go. All right, well, that's orb. Might want to fix it a bit. All right, there you go. There we go. All right, that's the orb. Let's see how this candle finishes. If it rips up, then we might have to fix the orb, but so far, that's what the orb looks like it's going to set at in 1 minute and 50 seconds. Okay. Let's see what 1 hour is looking like. Also wanted to set the orb over here. Yes, that's a Porsche. Yes, that's a Porsche. Porsche. All right, got about a minute left. Oh, I might have to fix that orb. Let's see here. Did it break to the top? No, not yet. It's very possible it could break to the top. Let's see. All right, 30 seconds until the 15-minute orb is set. Alright guys, so the orb is set. Yeah, it looks like it might rip to the upside right into a pivot. We'll see. I ideally want to see a little more of a pullback. So, but we might not get it. I don't know. Damn, man, this shit might chop again, dude. The struggle bus, huh? We do have an orange folder at 10 a.m. Not a big deal, but you never know. It could, you know, fluctuate enough. ATR is at 28. So. Oh, okay. It's breaking out of orb to the upside. Let's see how it reacts to this resistance pivot right here. Okay, it's gonna tap it. It's gonna tap it. Boom. Let's see. Obviously, I already ripped right through it on ES here. Yo, this shit is ripping. Let's see. Whoa! Look at this shit. Massive green giant. Wow. Wow. You think you missed a move? Shit, maybe. 28. ATR is 28, so I mean these candles are actually pretty small. Let's see how big the actual orb is. All right, orb is 114 points. That's actually pretty small for an orb, but yeah, let's see. Let's see if it breaks to the upside. If it breaks through and it closes up here, guys, yeah, there might be a pullback or a retest, right? Or it could continue pumping, man, because this shit is very, very strong. That resistance pivot is gonna be very tricky, man. Wow. That might have been the long move right here when the market was opening. It could have been it. Let's see. I have taken longs pre-market before or during the market, right during the market open. But I just, you know, I'm trying to play it a little more safe since we did not do great yesterday. Let's see. What's bomb di bomb dia? What? What are you talking about, Mike? You think it's gonna dump? You think it's swept all these highs? I mean, yeah, this is a massive giant. A lot of liquidity here. So let's see. I don't know, man. I don't know. This is tricky. It looks like a obvious change of character here. Might start its, but I, you know, like I said earlier, I do want to see a pullback at least to some of the EMAs before freaking going long. But I don't know if we're gonna get that. Maybe back to VWAP. I mean, I don't. Look at this shit. This shit is ripping. Complete ripper, man. That shit just went and just pumped to the moon.
Green giant.
Let's see, guys. This is about to break out in 13 seconds. Did I take the long? I know this could be a fake out to the top, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's go.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right. Let's see what happens, guys. Pal carajo. Let's just go with it. I know it sounds crazy, but all right, we're going long here. It could do its freaking pullback right now. My luck, it probably does, but I mean, I'm taking it because it broke out of orb. Broke out of orb here. Let's do 600 just because. Oh no, well, ATR is 30. Shit. Difficult one, man. It's a difficult one. Let's see if it's probably gonna retest. Let's do some crazy shit, man. Do we think it's gonna pull all the way back? Listen, if it pulls all the way back to right here, then yeah, I definitely don't want to be in the trade anymore. I know I'm risking a lot, but we gotta risk it for the biscuit. All right. Let's see. We still have. Let me fix. Damn, bro. What a bad one on the 1 hour. That's such a bad entry. If you look at the 1 hour, you're like, yo, you're crazy. You literally took a long at the pivot point, dude. Right at the top. Bueno, vamos a ver qué pasa. Is it going to continue? There's still about 7 minutes left on this 1 hour candle. There could be another pump, or it could be a complete rip down. And then we're going to really have to double down. All right, let's see what ES is doing. Don't tell me this shit's gonna chop, bro. Make sure you know where my stop is, you know. I'm giving it a good amount of wiggle room to figure out if it wants to continue going higher. I know it's a really tricky spot. Really tricky spot. Well, at least I'm going long, because, you know, shit. After this, I mean, did I go long at the best spot? Probably not. Probably not. Again, I wanted to see some sort of pullback, but shit, bro. This thing just has a lot of bullish momentum, man. It just keeps ripping and ripping, ripping and ripping, ripping and ripping. So yeah. Hopefully we could be out of here before the new 1 hour candle opens. Because that new 1 hour candle is definitely going to do some sort of pullback in 6 minutes. So let's see what happens. Playing with fire here. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go. Do you want to pump? Freaking pump, dude. Go higher. All right, so what I did want to do, though, I would say is close 3 of the 5. Say like around here.
Order submitted.
That's what I wanted to do. If it even gets there, bro. We'll see. Maybe, maybe not. I need to make this just a tad bit smaller. These things are way too long. Let's do 70. There we go. So you can see that they're sells. Obviously that means I took a buy. Oh, dude. Okay. So you made money? You made money with the long? Because you said you were at 112. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm just going to hang in there. Win or lose. It is what it is. Let me see what our friend is doing. ES. Let's see. Alright, well, ES trying to go back up. Let's see. Let's see. Let me move this back here. There we go. Yeah, I'm not in my kind of trades, bro. You got to stay patient, man. You got to let it play out. I'm not the type to close, open, close it. I let my shit play out, win or lose. The only time it probably kicks me out is when the auto trail kicks in and you hear that cha-ching. That means it hit at least 40 points in profit. So come on, bulls. Don't give up now. You've been pumping all damn day. Don't give up now. Well, we'll see. We got EMA 200 right here for fuck. We got EMA 200 right here for ES. So might protect us a tad bit. If it inverses this and closes in here, man, that's not looking good at all. We'll have to look. I'll look for one more trade after this, and if I don't hit on this, I'll look for one more, because now it might be doing the freaking pullback that I wanted. This is hopefully just the retest of orb, and it just flips to the green side. Usually I don't wait for the retest because I usually have enough wiggle room for the retest anyways, especially if the ATR is only 31. So my stop is usually more than 50 points. All right, it is tapping the top of orb. Let's see, let's see. I just don't want it to close inside orb. If it does, that's not good. We want it to stay outside of orb, even if it's going back down. All right. Got about 30 seconds until this 1 hour candle starts. It's gonna get violent. It might kill me. It might save me. We will see in the next 15 seconds. Will it rip or will it pump? Hang on, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. There we go. Uh-oh. 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 Not good. Not good. Okay. New 1 hour candle opening. Let's look at that. Come on, let's get a little pump. Just a little bit. Let's get a nice... Come on, don't start pulling back now. Go up and then do what you want. Go up here and then go do what you want. Oh man. Yeah, it did hit these swing highs, so 1 hour candle might want to retest. We'll see. All right. Like I said, as long as it doesn't close back inside of orb, we might have a chance that it could rip back up. This is not pretty on ES though, I'll tell you that much. That's not nice. I want to see this rip back up. What up? What up? You in a trade? Yes, sir. You don't see? We're down. We're in drawdown right now. Negative 200. Took a long. It was pumping. It broke out to the upside, but you know, it was a little overextended, obviously already. I took the freaking long at the peak, literally at the peak. It's crazy, but a lot of bullish reaction here, man. So the ATR is not that big though. The ATR is at 31, so the movements, the candlesticks, they're not massive. But the new 1 hour candle at 10 a.m. just opened up, and it's very possible it could do its pullback and swipe me out. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yep, there it goes. Not looking good. Yeah? TV's working? Yeah? Okay. Oh, guys, let's see, man. Let's see. Hopefully it does this little, you know, when a new candle opens up, if it starts off red, it usually ends being green. Usually, not always, but Maybe this is necessary before the rip. Or maybe it's just going to completely reverse. God knows. Or it might just tap me out and then go up. Or it wants to retest these EMAs. It could be a possibility also. Alright. Let's see what happens. No.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Connection lost.
Oh my god. Not now. There we go. Alright. Did it finish doing its, you know, its little sweep? Took out some stops. Took out some stops. Might want to pop. Oh, no, no, no. Whoa, that was aggressive. That was aggressive. Uh-oh. Not looking good, guys. Not looking good.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
All right. Let's see. It closed inside orb, so that's obviously why I'm saying it's not good. But hopefully we could get a nice little pump. Hopefully that's as low as it goes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Give me a nice green giant.
Green giant.
Let's go. Break out of orb again. Let's see what ES is up to. ES already tapped EMA 200, so that's good. Hopefully we get a nice pop from tapping EMA 200. Come on. Not good. Rejected. Rejected. Come on, give it the mushroom. Let's get a bounce off EMA 200 on ES. Let's get a nice bounce. Come on, the trend is your friend, right? On the 5-minute. Well, actually on the 1 hour too. The trend is going up, guys. So just need a little pump up here, man. There we go. There we go. Come on, bulls. Step in. Step back in. Take control. Don't let these guys take control. Step back in, bulls. Everybody's looking for that pullback. Everybody's looking for that. So do everything the opposite. All right, we got 2 minutes on this. 2 minutes and 20 seconds left. This 5-minute candle. Let's see what happens. Stay patient, guys. Sometimes this is like watching paint dry. Yeah, no, I know. It looks like a crazy point if you look at the 1 hour time frame, but I don't trade off the 1 hour. I was trading off the orb on the 5-minute time frame, and I was hoping it was going to continue pumping just a little more, but I'm giving it enough wiggle room to really figure out this little pullback. If it does a complete reversal, then I'll get stopped out and it'll invalidate the long. I know it's a really bad entry, trust me, but I wasn't waiting for 10 a.m. for the close of this candle. I'm waiting for 5 minutes. I enter on the 5-minute candles. So if it completely goes under here, it might be a complete reversal to the downside to retest these EMAs. If not, it's a retest of the top of orb, and then it keeps pumping. So it's like honestly, it's like a 50-50 right now, to be honest. We'll see what happens. Yeah. No, I definitely wanted to wait for the react. I should have, since it was such a strong bullish reaction on the 1 hour. And I saw this pop here. I should have probably waited for a retest. I should have waited for this retest and then for a candle to show me a pop back up again. But I risked it. It's all good. You got to take the risk at some point. All right, so not a lot of strength there. Not a lot of strength. That's not closing in a very green strength position. Let's see. Man, there's a lot of sellers in there. This shit could completely reverse to the downside and completely eat this whole candle up. Which would be like all the way down here. Yeah, probably all the way down here to retest VWAP, and then we might see a bullish reaction. Regardless, if we lose this, we'll wait for another setup, and I'm gonna double it up. I'm gonna go from 5 micros to probably 10 or 15, but we're gonna wait for the real move if that's the case. If it invalidates this long. Yeah, it's definitely doing its pullback, man. Let's look at ES here. ES looks like it wants to fill this imbalance right here. Might want to retest EMA 21. If that's the case, then I'm cooked here. If that's the case, I could be cooked, guys. Oh.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Oh, wow. Wow. It didn't take me out by a second, a tick, but it might come down. It's probably going to come down and take me now. Yeah. Not looking good here, guys. We're going to have to readjust and wait for a better move. We'll see what happens here. Might take me out and then pop to this, pop up again. But that's fine. I'll cut the loss right there. Not looking good.
No. Wait. No, God! No, God, please, no!
Yeah, not looking good. It's a wrap. There it is. Oh, wow. There it is. Okay. It's playing with me. It's playing with me. It's playing with me. It didn't fill it. Okay. On the next candle, I'm cooked for sure if it's not this one. Wow. You can pull it up on the YouTube. This is a stop. About to get cooked. This red one. It's right here. Careful, it's touch. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's okay. I'll get it back now. No worries. Yep, there goes. There goes. Fatality. There it is. There it is. No way. Bro, no way. It doesn't tap it. No way. Bro, this thing's playing with my emotions.
Emotional damage.
Yeah, this is crazy right now. I've never seen it edge me this many times. Oh my god. This is wild. Wild. The next candle will definitely pop it when it opens. There it goes. That's it. It's a wrap.
Stop. Order cancelled.
Fatality.
Alrighty then. So, what are we doing on the next trade? We're gonna wait now, guys. We're definitely gonna wait for a good setup. We're going all in. One more. That was a bad one, bro. Complete no upside whatsoever. I took that shit on the highest peak. No pop whatsoever. Super overextended. Now we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. I'll get it all back on this next one, but that was terrible. Completely horrendous. I'm really sorry, guys. No, I don't DCA into trades. I try not to do that. I do take partials, but I don't double down. I don't. Oh, no, I'm not concerned. Guys, I want you to know that my drawdown since that day that I hit 60,000 is over. My drawdown on my account is over 16,000. So losing $800 is probably the equivalent of losing $80 for me. That's why I'm risking so high. Yeah, good job. Good job for not taking it. It was a risky trade right at the pivot point, guys. Right at the freaking pivot point. Oh. Give me 1 second. Let me take this jacket off because it's hot. All right, we're back. All right, so let's wait. It probably just took me out, and it's probably gonna rip now to the top. We'll see, or it might want to go all the way down to VWAP. But I'm gonna have to stay on here until we find the good trade again. Don't worry, we're gonna get it back on the next trade. Watch, and if we don't, then yeah, that'll be a wrap for today. It's been 8 weeks profitable, guys. Will we lose it this week? We'll find out. Or we're gonna get it back on this next trade. Woo! Thank God I got stopped out right there, huh? That would have been even worse. If I would have stayed in. You gotta cut those losses. Gotta cut those losses early, man. Alright, now we're just gonna patiently wait until the market shows us what it really wants to do. Let's see. Yeah, it's doing its pullback. It did take these swing highs, man. So I'm not surprised that it did this. I just thought, you know, there's some days that it just does a little red and then it just keeps going, and you're like, damn, bro, I missed the whole move. It wasn't that day. It's doing its pullback. Oh, sorry. Can you guys still see me? Everything still looks good there? Internet is back, set up. Alright, let's see. Alright, now it looks like it's doing its move, but we're not gonna take the long until I see this wants to pop. Not on a red candle here, guys. Let's see it inverse here and close up here. If this closes up here again, might go for that long. We'll put the stop down here, but I need to see a strong bullish move up. Hang tight, 1 second. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, man. Yeah. I mean, it could have gone either way. It was a risky trade. I won't lie. It was a risky trade. I apologize, but you got to trade at your own risk here. This is not financial advice. This is for education, entertainment only. I apologize. Not every day is gonna be beautiful, but we all took a loss there. You just have to risk accordingly, guys. Look, I'm down 812. This is the eval. This is a funded account. So on the overall week, I'm down 1,000. So we're gonna wait for a good trade, and I'm gonna get it back. It's just you guys have to risk accordingly. If I do 5 micros, that doesn't mean you should do 5 micros. That doesn't even mean you need to take my trade. It doesn't always work out. All right, let's see what happens here. What I really want to see, guys, for me to go long is a nice push through here and a push breaking out. If I see a nice push here, I'll take a long, even if this is still a red candle. All right, and I'm going in heavy. There, I'm going in heavy, but we're gonna leave the stop at 50 points, so we'll see. I want to see the bulls really step in hard. Let's see what happens. I'm getting what I want to see on on NQ, but on ES, I'm not getting what I want to see. On ES, I want to see it rip right up here. I want to see this breakout, and I want to see this inverse this gap here. But I'm not getting completely what I want yet. Yeah, 30 seconds until this candle closes. Let's see. Not showing me the strength I want it to. On ES, it's just doji. It's not doing the pump I want it to. I want to see it close up here and pop out here. They're kind of both going opposite directions. That's crazy. Yeah, that's why I didn't take the long there. I wanted to see more of a pop, but now it's going lower. This looks like a pullback for the short. Now, what's 1 hour doing? I mean, it was a big buy up, guys. It was a big buy up, but that shit could come right back down. Let's see. Come on, let's get a pop. That's 92. I want to see something like around here. Looking for a pop like up to here, man, or close to there. Let's see. Switch back to ES here. Let's go. Get out of here. We look at the other time frames. Come on, ES, cooperate, man. I need ES to cooperate. It's not cooperating with EMA 200 here. I need to break up to this side. We're gonna get this trade, guys. I'm gonna stay patient, but I'm gonna wait for this trade to play off, because I do believe it wants to go just a bit higher. I'm only looking for longs. Only way I'm looking for a short is if we're under VWAP, and right now we are above all the EMAs, so we're gonna stay patient. Come on, ES, stop fighting the fucking pop, man. My goodness. I'm gonna take this last trade, and it's gonna be my last trade of the day. Winner or lose, preferably win. All right, come on, ES, finally start cooperating. This is what I want to see. It's exactly what I want to see, guys. So if this closes outside of orb, I'm gonna go for that long. Let's go. This shit better not be freaking doing a fake out. to the upside and fucking pop down again. Come on. Step in, bulls, please. Yo, what a battle. Right back down, man. Jesus. Come on. My concern is on the next candle, it rips, and then we're like, yo, they didn't even give us a chance to get in, man. So let's see. That's an undecided candle, right? Yeah. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. What a struggle. Yo. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Stay patient. Is this shit just gonna freaking chop, bro? All fucking day now? Yo, I'll stay here for as long as I have to, but I'm gonna catch this next trade. I'm letting you guys know right now. This stream might be fucking 6 hours if it has to be, but I'm gonna catch that next trade. I'll stay patiently waiting here. Let's go. Yup. Now we gotta wait for this chop to figure out what it wants to do. Is it gonna pop? Is it gonna drop? It's gonna lock. No, I'm locking in. We're gonna catch this next move. Actually, you know what? I'm so confident about the next move, dude. I'm not doing 15. I'm gonna do freaking 20 contracts on both accounts. That's how confident I am about the next move. Watch. That's how confident I am. We're gonna get out of this hole. There we go. Let's go. Show me a nice little pop. Show me a nice little pop to the upside. ATR is at 33, guys. Let's go. Come on, ES. Start cooperating. Alright, every time it taps that EMA 200, man, it's just boom, right back down. Boom, right back down. Crazy. Very crazy. Let's see. I need this to flip bullish. I need it to flip to a shooting star. Once we know this turns into a shooting stars are right here. That's why I marked that line. it starts flipping to a shooting star right about here on the 1 hour. So that's why I marked that line. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see, guys. I want to see it close strongly around here. It's doing what I want to see on ES. We got a minute. Come on. Show me some more strength. Just a little bit more strength. Just a little bit more. Come on. Just a little bit more pump. It's weak. Come on. Come on. There we go. All right. Get ready, guys. This is the one. This is the one. It's either make or break at this point. Make or break. Let's see. Oh my god, it's losing steam again, dude. Get up there. Dude, what in the world?
Order filled.
That's how I feel about it. It's going up or I'm gonna get killed. That's it. Either it goes up or I'll get killed. But I'm taking the damn long already. This is do or die here. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Should I sell? I should sell. What, like, let's sell 5 here. Let's sell 5 here. I think that's a fair.
Order submitted.
Fair spot to put sell 5, just because we want to get some back, you know. All right. There we go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Give it to me, baby. Don't play with me. Get out of this damn range. I know you want to. Break out. Come on. Oh my god. Yo, it's just playing with me. It's playing with my emotions. Oh my god, dude. Let's go. Get out of there. Get out of there. Flip it. Flip it. At least hit the first TP. Hit first TP. Hit first TP. Here we go. So I get back what I lost if it hits that first TP, I believe. I don't know if my math is 100%, but come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Push it. Oh my god, man. The struggle bus. The struggle bus is real. Oh my god. Don't tell me this shit's going in reverse now, bro. Bro. Yo, that pinga. Look how close it was, bro. Oh my god. If this shit reverses and goes down, bro, like, yeah, this is just not cooperating with me in any way. Come on, man. Go for that other. There we go. Go for that other freaking imbalance on the ES. There's a little imbalance here. This would be an equal high right here. Tap that equal high. Get me out 5. Come on, man. Help me. Yo, what is this? Fucking chop fest, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, being good. Oh my god, dude. Look at this. Right, bro. What is this, bro? It's like the market makers see me take the trade and they're like, alright, stop them out. Yo, what is happening here? Straight madness, man. Shit. Yo, I'm cooked. If this shit goes down, I'm cooked. De madre. What in the world? Just does not want to break out, bro. Let's see what happens, man. Let's see what the 1 hour is doing here. It's going fucking down. Pure chop, bro. Pure chop. It just keeps getting rejected off the top of orb there. I don't know. Doesn't want to fucking flip. Well, guys, if I get cooked here, that is a wrap for today. We'll just come back tomorrow and try to get it back. There's nothing else we could do, man. It's just not cooperating, dude. Every fucking day it's been fucking chop. This was a bad trade. It wasn't a bad trade, but it was just not a great trade. It could have gone. That was a 50-50 trade. But this trade, this was decent. This is a decent trade. Not bad. Horrendous. Come on. Chop City, man. Chop City. Look at this shit. Look at this. This shit is just fucking playing with everybody, bro. Come on, can we get the luck of the Irish here? I don't know. Come on, man. Right back to break even. Yeah, no, I'm gonna let it play out, dude. I'm not gonna close it just because it's a little green. I'm not. Win or lose, I'm gonna take it. That's it. win or lose, whatever happens.
Order filled.
All right, I closed 5. We're only down 100. We're shooting for 1,800 now. So we got some back. I just took it off a little bit. Let's see, man. I don't want it to come right back here and then come right back down again because it is choppy. If it hits 1,800, it hits 1,800, and we're back. But bro, honestly, it's been pretty shitty. It's been pretty shitty, guys. We could even do another one right about here.
Order submitted.
So if it wants to give me that, then let's see. Let's see. All right. Next candle. Probably right back down, because that's what it's been doing. It's just insanity. Or maybe it'll turn into a damn shooting star finally. And we're gonna trail this shit to the fucking moon. Let's go. It tapped EMA 21 here and obviously bounced, so sometimes trading is hard as shit, guys. Sometimes it just doesn't do anything you want it to do. Sometimes it does. Sometimes you get a bad entry. It is what it is. Let's see here real quick. Yeah, again, it's been choppy, so I'm not surprised if that candle just goes all the way right again. It's a fucking shit show, man. But at least I took something out, you know? It wasn't a complete... You guys could close it whenever you guys want. You don't have to wait like me. You guys could close it in profit if you took this long with me, you know? Y'all don't have to put the same TPs or any of that, but you guys could close it at any point that you guys want. Just been grinding sideways, man. Quick little pumps, then right back down, pump down. Let's see if it finally flips to the green side and does a little bit more of a pump. Let's see. Could do... Just start taking
Order
freaking...
submitted.
I'm gonna take partials here. If not, we're gonna be in this damn trade for the whole day, for the whole New York session, man. Oh my god. Just flip, dude. You know you want to flip to the green side. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. We need to get back a lot of money, guys. We lost what? I don't even know what we lost earlier. Like 1,000? Oh no, it was like 800, right? 800 lost yesterday. I'm sorry, 200 yesterday. So yeah, we were down 1,000 for the whole week. So we need this trade to hit, or else we're gonna mess up the whole weekly win streak. I'm pretty sure it's just gonna pop, unless some crazy ass news happens, which reverses it. But look at this. Buyers have bought this whole candle up. Come on, let's just get a quick little pop, man. Even up to here, I don't care. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Pop it. Bro, it's not fucking delivering, dude. It's not delivering. Look at that. Indecision candle. Crazy, dude. Indecision. Freaking chop. You guys could close it whenever you want, man. This is some shit, dude. Alright, can't even get 40 points for we could get the cha-ching. We can't even get fucking 40 points right now. That's crazy, dude. ATR, where are you? What is the ATR? 35 right now. That's why we don't get 40 points. It's not. It has a smaller ATR than 40 points. So yeah, this is crazy, man. Right back down, man. Oh my god, dude. De madre. The fucking struggle bus is real. The struggle bus is real. Did it go down just to get buyers, or is it gonna fucking reverse and go right back down again? Come on, let's just get a little pop, dude. Let's get a pop. Guys, thank you for your patience waiting through this whole nightmare of a trade. My goodness. Wow. This shit is just complete sideways action. This shit could come all the way down and tap the 1500, dude. It's not impossible. This shit just really is doing whatever it wants. The indicator is called ATR. Yeah. It's called ATR. Yep. If you go to indicators, boom. The average true range. Okay, that's it. I say trading range, but the average true range is a measure of volatility. It was introduced by Wells Wilder in his book of new concepts in blah 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 technical trading systems. Since been used as a component of many indicators and trading systems. But yeah, that's what my period is, 14, and it's the same. Bro, is this shit gonna flip to a shooting star, or is it gonna go down? Like, come on, pick a struggle.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna put a sell stop of 5 there, because I don't want to lose 1500. So if it stops me out there, it's gonna stop me in profit and take me out a little bit. If not, it's gonna hit the other ones. So we shall see what it wants to do. Back at 400. This shit is just tripping, man. Put it right under the previous candle, not that one. So if it wants to come down, it comes down. But if not, better shoot for that fucking other partial. Trying to protect myself a little bit psychologically. Alright, come on. My God, bro. What a torture. Right back down again. Right back down. Jesus. Wow. There it goes. Probably gonna take out that stop. Or flip to the green. Let's see. I mean, at this point, I don't even know anymore, man. This is just crazy shit. Come on. Come on. Let's get a little green giant. A baby green giant. Let's get a baby green giant. Doesn't have to be anything massive. ATR is currently 34. It went down a little bit because look at these candles. They're all little freaking chopsticks. There it goes. Right back down again. Yo, this is crazy, man. Bro, the chop is real, guys. The chop is real. Okay, are you gonna baby green giant, or are you just gonna keep chopping around? Oh my God! Oh, wow. I'm tired of this already, man. Can we get a little pop? Can we get a little pop? What's ES doing? Oh man, I gotta fix the orb. Alright, ES doing the same shit. Going sideways. ES, can you fill this imbalance right here? That would be great. That would probably be the partial up here. Come on, fill this imbalance, please. Appreciate it. Oh my God, dude. The torture. The torture. Oh my goodness. Yo, what in the world, bro? What in the world? It doesn't want to flip to a green shooting star? Like, not today. Not today. Or is it gonna wait for that 1 hour candle to open in 2 minutes before it gets up there? Oh my God, bro. Yo, come on. Just do a quick little pop, dude. Yo, it's gonna hit the damn stop, dude. It's gonna put that little partial stop that I put. Yeah, gonna hit that fucking partial stop. Look at how it rejected off right here, dude. It's crazy. Yeah, no, I'm gonna take some more, bro. You could hit it, but I don't care. If it takes it out, it takes it out. Whatever, bro. That's crazy. There it goes. There it goes.
Order filled.
Insanity. Hit one stop, so we got 1,000 on the table still. But this shit is crazy right now, man. It's not giving us anything, man. It's really barely giving us anything, dude. This is just chop, 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 chop. It's making it very difficult. What are we at currently? Let's see. 800 down on the week currently. Let's see what happens with this trade, but it could be worse, it could be better. It doesn't want to flip, man. It doesn't want to flip. It's crazy. All right, here we go. New 1 hour candle. Is it gonna pop or is it gonna drop? Hopefully it's a pop, man, because yo, this is crazy already. No. Let's get a pop. Let's get a pop. Let's go. Let's go. 11 o'clock a candle. Let's get a pop. Let's get a nice pop to the upside, please. Please, let's get a pop to the upside. Let's go. Let's go. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. I'm going to cancel this one.
Order canceled.
We're going to hit, instead of 5, since we have less now, we're going to do... Okay, so we got 10 on the table. We're going to do 4 here and leave a runner after it taps this. So we're gonna hit sell for
Order submitted.
if it even gets up there. It could possibly not even. Let's see. Let's see what happens. So in case you're wondering, this is gonna sell 5. So we'll be at 5 left, and then this will sell 4 and leave 1 contract to TP up here. Okay, so that's what I'm planning. I just, you know, I'm losing my patience, to be honest. I'm losing my patience with this damn chop, dude. Oh man, come on, 1 hour candle, make a higher high. Come on, stop playing around, dude. Yo, this is crazy, bro. It's just right here in this bullshit. This is kind of a bull flag, though. It's a bull flag and then it rips. So, kind of a bull flag. Let's see. It's getting tight. Yo. Oh no. Yeah, if we lose 1,000, man, we're down 2,000 for the week, and we'll have to try to get it back tomorrow. That's all we could do. That's all we could do. That's part of the game, guys. That is part of the game, but it's not how you start the week. It's how you finish the week. We're gonna keep showing up. Yeah, it looks like the Bears are in control here, man, for whatever reason. The Bulls are going out to lunch or going out to lunch early. They're like, oh yeah, you guys can sell all you want, so we could buy at better prices. It's possible. There we go. Right back to zero. Or negative. Oh. Oh, man. Now it's playing at my entry. Now it's playing at the entry. Madness. This is madness. The level of patience you gotta have for this, man. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. This has literally been a chop fest all day. Now it's gonna swipe the bottom. It might go for my stop loss. You guys could have closed it at any moment when you were in the green. You didn't have to wait for me, so hopefully you guys closed it on top and don't have to go through this drawdown again. So let's see what happens. I'm willing to lose 1,000, guys. I'm willing for it. So let's see. I guess the luck of the Irish isn't working today, huh? We'll see. Maybe it'll kick in out of nowhere. We'll get a massive green giant. It'll just pop. Boom! You know? Anything is possible. Let me fix the orb because the orb is even running out. I usually don't stay in the trades this damn long. Alright. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm copy trading. 2 accounts. Not all the accounts. Just 2 of the accounts. The 2 accounts that I lost yesterday, I'm copy trading. So, yeah, trying to get them back into the green. But, man, this market has just been completely choppy. Super choppy, guys. I did close out a partial 5 contracts from here to here. And then I got stopped out for another 5 contracts here. So we had 20 contracts. Now we're only in at 10 contracts, half. So if we lose 1,000, guys, then today's a wrap. Tomorrow we come back and try to get that back. Plenty of chances for you guys to have closed the trade out if you were in the long with me from here. All of this up here, I had plenty of time. I think I even mentioned it, so yeah. Let's see. Either way, yeah, it's definitely going sideways now, man. Now it's dumping, actually. Now I'm cooked. It's going straight for my stop loss, from what it looks like. Let's see what happens here. Hopefully we get a nice reversal, but if not, I look like not so good. Not so good. If I take this loss, then yeah, we're done. We're done for today. It's just, man, it just every time I want it to pop, it doesn't continue, man. There's no continuation. So yeah, it might be down 2,000 for the week then if this hits, which it looks like it's gonna fucking smash stop loss at this point. It looks like it's gonna smash it. There it goes. Looks like I'm gonna get murdered here again. It's just been choppy, man. It might be choppy all week, like I said, because of the rollovers, the contracts rolling over. Just chop, man. This next candle open might finish me, unless it completely reverses to the upside, which highly unlikely. There it goes. And oh, what? Yeah. Oh.
Order canceled.
Fatality. Fatality.
And that's where we're at, guys. Negative 1,800 on the week. Dude. I mean, it could have been worse, but this shit is just not cooperating, guys. Not cooperating at all. But the week isn't over. It's just Tuesday, guys. We still got CPI, FOMC tomorrow. No, I'm sorry. Is it not CPI? Is it PPI? PPI. Let's see. PPI. Yeah, PPI at 8:30, and then we have FOMC at 2 o'clock. So tomorrow should bring in some liquidity, some volatility. Finally, maybe some direction, because look at this bullshit, man. Let's see what ES is doing. ES broke to the downside. Tap. Might want to tap VWAP. I mean, fuck, man. I don't know, man. Don't tell me it just tapped me out to run to the moon now. Yeah. Nah, this thing could be going lower. It might want to hit this swing low right here. Maybe even retest EMA 50. But we got VWAP on ES right here, so just be careful if you do take a short. Make sure you scalp it real fast, because once it hits this swing low and VWAP, it's just gonna rip to the upside. Strong possibility. Not everything is as it seems. It could rip to the upside right now out of nowhere. It's just fucking not. It's not moving, man. Complete long right here. Did its pullback. Next candle, complete engulfed. Broke out of orb. You know, you think it's gonna completely deliver, and it just dumps out of nowhere, bro. It just fucking sideways action, dude. Sideways action, man. Whenever there's a range, forget it. Whenever it's rangy like this, there's no way I could hit a good trade, man. It's just not. There's no momentum to the upside or to the downside. It's just fuck it. Right now, this is it. It's freaking sideways. Yeah. De madre. What a day. What a 2 days. I'm just trying to see if there's anything else here, man. But this shit is just doing whatever it wants. It's just going sideways. Well, tomorrow gonna have to double down, guys. We're gonna have to double down tomorrow. Oh, we're not yeah. No, man, I'm not concerned. Again, we're good. It's not a big deal. I'll double down tomorrow. We'll come back and get it all back. But yeah, it's just not cooperating. That shit is just honestly going sideways. Sideways. The only, so for you guys who are going to stay on and continue to trade, what I would be looking for is a huge green candle to the upside. You know, if this pops and closes up here, that's a long. I mean, I don't care. That would be a long all day. I need it, like, even a close right here. That would be a long. But I would have to see the same thing happen on... That's right, yeah. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. For sure. No worries, guys. I've been in worse drawdown than this. But yeah, I would need to see a green candle close way up here, and then this green candle close way up here to be looking for a long again. Which could happen later on in the day. It could happen. But yeah, man, look at this. This is just... This was 935 right here. And 945. So 945, 930. It ripped. Did this. You know, I thought it was going to continue. Took a long at the freaking peak. Horrible pullback. Destroyed me about where? Right here. Yeah, I put my stop right here. So that was the first loss. Then I said, okay, let's wait. Saw this big bounce. Saw it get inversed. A little undecided. This candle showed me it wanted to go up. Took the long here. Did a little pullback. Came up. I thought I was going to continue again. Ran out of gas. So those were my thought processes here. I did close out too, so I could have been down a lot worse. I could have been down probably like 3,000 on both accounts. So yeah. While I'm watching this, if this candle closes up here, guys, yo, if it closes up there, I don't care, man. It has to break out of this range eventually. I will go for the gusto, but I need to see a beautiful freaking green giant. That's it. I need to see a green giant up here, a green giant up to here. That's the only way. You know, let's see. Still a little bit of time. You know, okay. It's a strong pump, guys. I want to see more though. ATR is 33 currently. I need to see a strong ass green giant, bro. That's the only way I'll take another trade. If I don't see it, I'm not taking it. Yeah, look at how it's getting rejected. This candle needs to flip and turn green. The 1 hour candle needs to flip and turn green. Only way I'm looking for a long. Still a minute and 40 seconds. I want to wait until 11:35 just to see what happens. If it doesn't pop to the upside strongly, then I'll jump off the chart. But if I do see a green pop, this flips to a shooting star, I'm gonna stay with my conviction to the upside, guys. But we'll give it to 11:35. Oh, you see? Right back down. Ran out of juice. Market is wild, dude. Market is wilding right now. Let's see, guys. Let's see what it does. I'm gonna give it to, like I said, 11:35, the latest. If it doesn't break out to the upside, we'll just end the day with another loss. It is what it is, and that's where we're at for the week. So this is gonna be 11:20 right here. Oh shit. Okay. Let's see what happens. I want to see it inverse and close green above this. If it doesn't do that, there's no other trade for me, and I'm not gonna stay here till 3 o'clock power hour. So we're just gonna play by ear here. Let's wait. Oh man. Yeah, it's getting rejected back down, so it doesn't look like it's gonna give us that long, at least for now, unless it out of nowhere just rips. So yeah, and I'm definitely not taking a short to the downside where there's VWAP is right here. So if that happens, we'll just close it. We'll close the stream and we'll come back tomorrow and get it back. That's all. Let's see. This could go sideways also. It doesn't need to go down or up. It could just go sideways how it's been doing. Yeah, it's looking very bearish, that's for sure. It could be a massive pullback, but until I start seeing a green candle on the 1 hour time frame over here, I'm not going to be looking for longs. So I need this to flip green, and I need this to close up here green. That's the only way I will look for a long. We can see what ES is doing. Chopping. I need to see ES rip at least up to here. Okay, let's see. Is it gonna push back to the 1 hour? Still red. Time is it? 11:23. Like I said, 11:35 is the cutoff. So if the trade doesn't present itself by 11:35, I am done. I'm not gonna force the trade either, so. Oh man, shit. 2 days getting cooked, man. 2 days getting cooked. When's the last time I've done that on a stream? On the stream, 2 days getting cooked. I've gotten cooked 1 day, but 2 days in a row? This is a first. But then again, it happens. It happens. Complete sideways action, guys. Alright, let's see what happens here. Got about 10 more minutes. Let's see what it does. 10 more minutes, guys. Chop, choppity, chop, chop. Lots of sideways action. I'll tell you that much. Lots of sideways. Down, up, down, up. Just going completely to the side. Chop. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go sideways for the rest of the day and then maybe do something at 3 p.m. But right now, this is not going anywhere. We got about, yeah, about 8 minutes. 8 minutes left. Come on. Come on. Do something. Watch. The moment I get off the stream, the ship pumps to the moon. It was just waiting for me to get off. I hear back later, oh, this shit went all-time highs. Yo, crazy. This shit went to all-time highs, guys. The move that I was trying to get. Cool. Cool. All right. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go lower. It doesn't look like it wants to pop to the upside now. If you look at the 1 hour time frame here, this shit looks like it wants to go lower. Maybe retest VWAP right down here. Hit the swing low, maybe even tap EMA 50 because there's a little pull and then it goes lower. I mean, it'll be a deep pullback. Yeah. Not looking good for longs, I'll tell you that much. Oh man. All right, we've got about 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. I'm not taking a short into VWAP or a long off VWAP. I need to see the reaction that it's gonna do. Yeah, right back down. Right back down. Nah, man. This is in a pullback. I think it possibly could come all the way back down here, which is VWAP down here, 963. 963. It could come up to here and then finally bounce, but I'm not going to be on the charts at that time. All right, 3 minutes and 40 seconds left. If this doesn't become a green giant and a shooting star on the 1 hour, I'm not gonna take a trade and end the stream until tomorrow. So let's see what happens. Overall trend is bearish at the moment. It is a pullback on the 1 hour time frame, so not surprised if it goes lower. But for me to see a long, I needed to close. Oh, I needed to flip to the upside. I'm not gonna take a long on a huge red candle like that. Looks like time is about to run out. Well, guys, thank you for tuning in. Sorry that the trades have not been playing out in our favor. They just haven't continued. So it's still Tuesday. We still have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Anything can happen, guys. We still could come back. It's all good. Hope you're risking accordingly, not full porting. Yes, click the like. I appreciate it if you hit the like. If you watch, please hit subscribe if you haven't hit subscribe already. Trying to grow the channel. As you can see, I am 100% transparent. I show you the wins, I show you the losses. I have been profitable for 8 weeks, so let's see if we can continue that streak. But obviously the probabilities of staying profitable go down the longer you stay profitable, right? Your chances of staying profitable just start going. It's just probabilities. The chances of it happen increase. So, but we'll see. We'll see. We still got 3 more days, guys. Still got 3 more days. And this candle is going straight down to VWAP from what it looks like. It's going to hit that swing low. You got to be careful there if you're aiming for VWAP, because there's a swing low right here. We got super trend right there. You got EMA 50 right there. So it could hit it right there and then go whop. So just be careful, guys. You don't get squeezed on a short. It's very choppy, guys. This shit is going sideways. So appreciate you guys for tuning in. And I will see you guys tomorrow, 9 o'clock. Know that I am going to go even heavier than I did today to get back to at least break even. Or we're going to get even, or we're going to get even worse. That's what I'm going to call it. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned. Tune in tomorrow, Trading with David 305, to see what happens. Will I get the win streak back, or we're gonna mess up the win streak? Let's see. Either way, we're gonna stay in it no matter what. All right, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great day and be safe. Here in Miami, it looks like it's wet. It's wet, so drive safe and just be safe out there, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you.